So I found a bug, and to show you the bug, I have to close this, open it again, open my file, and then when I go to call a hi menu, for some reason the text isn't there. Like this. No text. And then if I turn on bounding boxes, and then point at the same thing and call the same text, bam, there's the text. I don't understand exactly what's going on with that, but I do know that this code set size was throwing an error that I fixed, but the error was kind of confusing. So I did remove parent, or actually I stored the parent, did found parent, removed the parent, and then later I set the parent again. I just did this to avoid scaling the text with the parent. And down here I would do parent own dot parent visible, and it would say it didn't have one even though I just set it, and it said that it was a valid object and everything else. It'd be like, oh, I don't have a parent. So right now I bet it's not going to say that because we already did the bounding box trick. But so there's our options, and when we look at our logic, there's no errors thrown here, just some prints that I've been using. So if we close this, and then restart it again, and then correct that code back to the way it was, and instead of using the saved parent object, I use the actual hierarchy, the object's parent, and now it's going to say none type, that thing's not there. It says, oh, I don't have a parent, even though I just did set parent, and the object that I used to set the parent target was valid. So, like this. Call it. There's no option. Like this. And there it is. Line 35. None type has no attribute visible. So, own set parent, own parent 0, which is the item that I stored up here. I wanted to create a unique reference so that I wasn't mutating the reference to make sure it wasn't that kind of a bug. So yeah, it happens like that. So if I do this instead, it removes the error, but then the text just doesn't show up at all. So it's almost like some kind of a weird culling thing. Or one does or something. I don't really understand that at all. But now I can go show bounding box. Try the same maneuver and it should just fire it up. No, I guess I made an error. Oh yeah. There we go. Now it should just fire it up. Oh, no dot right there. There we go. So all the options show up and they don't turn invisible, and it's some kind of an issue with them not becoming visible again or something. I don't really understand. But there's the bug, and it's kind of a complex one.